Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you some things I picked up at Dollar Tree in Capitola yesterday. Also, I want to say sorry for the way my nails look. One broke, I had to cut them all, and now they're ugly. So first of all, I picked up some little containers for craft bead storage, and there's 4 pieces. So I figured I could put little sequins or buttons or glitter, and of course beads. And I believe there were a few other colors of containers besides these pink ones. Then I found this brush cleaner container. So the way it works is you just pop off the top, put some water inside, then you put your brushes in to clean them off, and then there's these grooves at the top that you can lean your brushes on to, I guess, just get the paint off or glue off or whatever you're using. And there were other colors. I believe there was a green and a blue in addition to the red. Then I found some more beads. So they are really pretty iridescent colors, pink, blue, and this sort of like reddish pink. And what I found interesting is there's also in different counts in each package. So for example, the pink is 80, the blue is 55, and then the reddish orangey color is 30. So I still have to use the other beads I bought from previous hauls, but I thought that they would be a nice addition to my stash. Then I also found some jump rings, and here I am showing you how the beads look inside the containers that I just purchased, which I think they look cute. So hopefully this gives you some ideas on what to get at Dollar Tree. Thanks.